arbitrationagreements.org. Welcome to arbitrationagreements.org. We are the leading association in the country, dedicated to offering affordable arbitration services, resources, and programs right here in Southern California. Now, let's sprinkle in some fascinating numbers. Every year in the United States, over 2 million civil cases are filed in state courts. Imagine the time, money, and energy spent on those. And get this, the average duration of a trial court case can range from 18 to 24 months. But with arbitration, most disputes are settled in just a few months. Efficiency at its best. The beauty of arbitration is that it is private, flexible, and often faster than court litigation. The decisions are final and binding, which means no never-ending appeals. And here's a perk. Parties get to choose their arbitrator. Imagine picking an expert in the field relevant to the dispute, rather than leaving it up to the luck of the court draw. Now, we've been providing businesses and individuals across Los Angeles and Southern California with top-tier arbitration programs and services. With our expertise, resources, and commitment, we make the arbitration process smooth and straightforward. So, why choose us? Well, at our association, we pride ourselves in prioritizing confidentiality, offering a faster resolution process, reducing the costs that come with traditional court cases, offering flexibility in scheduling, and promoting a harmonious resolution. If you are looking for a streamlined, cost-effective alternative to court litigations, turn to us for all your arbitration needs. To learn more or to embark on a journey towards efficient dispute resolution, reach out to us at arbitrationagreements.org. That's where you can buy the service or program you need right away and begin the dispute resolution process quicker. Now, our association does not provide legal advice, but give us a call if you or your business are considering opening a new account or case. Countless companies and individuals utilize our services to handle claims in a controlled manner through cost-effective solutions. If you are interested in doing that as a business, we are standing by. Successful companies depend on arbitration to save money. You are paying one service per case instead of experiencing the uncontrolled expenses of a standard lawsuit. That's the key reason why arbitration is so popular. Also, what do you think about arbitration? Which benefit is your favorite? Give us your opinion by leaving a comment below. Do not forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell for notifications so you can stay up to date about alternative dispute resolution processes that can save you time and money.